Hello guys, welcome back with new video. In this video we are going to discuss about 23 July IELTS exam writing tasks to prediction. So let's start with first statement. In the society, male sports are given more attention than female sports. Why is it so? Does this trend have positive or negative impact on society? It is suggested that all young adults should be undertake a period of unpaid work, helping people in the community. Does it bring more benefits or drawback to the young people? Today, the life expectancy of people is much higher than before. Some people think that the older people should continue to be involved in the workforce. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Nowadays, some workplaces tend to employ equal number of men and women workers. Do you think this is a positive or negative development? People aim to achieve a balance between their works and lives, but few people achieve it. What the cause of this problem? How to overcome it? These days many people leave their country to work abroad and take their family with them. Do you think the benefit of this outweigh the disadvantages in the term of family development? Some people think that increasing communication uses of computer and mobile phones by young people has had a negative effect on their reading and writing skills. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Some people think that to be successful you need to get in a university education, whereas others say it is not true. Discuss both ideas and give your opinion. Today, more and more full-time university students focus on their activities rather than spend a lot of time studying. Some people think it is essential for university students to be involved in other activities. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Some people think it is one of the best ways to solve environmental problems by increasing the cost of fuels of cars and other vehicles. To what extent do you agree or disagree? With the development of online communication, people will never be alone and will always be able to make new friends. To what extent do you agree or disagree? There are not many houses to accommodate people, so it has several social consequences. Only the government can solve this problem. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Technology is destroying social interactions. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Subjects like arts, music, and drama are more important than other subjects. Therefore, should be given more time in the calendar. Do you agree or disagree? Having a lot of international sports events may promote the world peace. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Some people think that the government is wasting money on arts and this money could be better spent elsewhere. To what extent do you agree with this view? Some people believe that hobbies need to be difficult to be enjoyable. To what extent do you agree or disagree? In some countries, the number of crimes committed by the teenagers is growing. Some people think, regardless of age, teenagers who commit major crimes should be receive adult punishments. To what extent do you agree? Communication through text messaging and other instant form of online communication are short and basic. Some people think this will be a death of grammar and spelling. Do you agree or disagree? Some people think public libraries are not necessary, whereas others believe that they're essential for people. To what extent do you agree with this statement? Some companies have uniform for their staff and which must be worn at all the times. What are the advantages of a company having a uniform? There are many benefits of having a uniform for the staff. Online shopping is significantly increasing. What effect does this have on people? What are the demerits and what are the job opportunities? Many people are copying celebrities from magazine and on TV. Why is this happening? Do you think it's a good idea to copy celebrities? Art is considered as an essential part of all cultures throughout the world. However, these days fewer and fewer people appreciate art and turn their focus on science, technology and business. What do you think that is what could be done to encourage more and more people to take an interest in the arts? If video is informative, please like, share and comment. Thank you.